The sun and the wind. The wind and the sun were arguing who among them is more powerful. To settle their dispute, they agreed on a trial of strength. The sun said,
"Let's see who can remove the shepherd boy's cloak from his back the quickest."
The wind tried first. He started blowing strong gusts of air. The rabbit clung to the tree and the sheep held the fence tight. The shepherd boy started shivering and held on to his cloak tighter. The harder the wind blew, the tighter the shepherd boy held on to his cloak. Finally, the wind gave up. It was the sun's turn. The sun started shining brighter and brighter. The shepherd boy felt very hot. He took off his cloak and sat under the shade of a tree. The wind angrily asked,
"How did you do that?"
The sun smiled and answered,
"Gentleness can be more powerful than force."
The wind accepted his defeat. Moral of the story: being gentle can be more powerful than using force.